Welcome both of you. We are here at S1 2023. We just completed a workshop on scleral lenses. I just want to know what is your experience about the workshop?
Yeah, the workshop went, I think, very well. We had about 45 people attending the workshop, practitioners and students. And I think we are thankful to Oculus for bringing in the Pentacam. So all of them got hands-on to use the Oculus Pentacam. We also had Mr. Gagan from Silverline who brought in his lenses. So people actually got a hands-on of how to use lenses, how to use the CSP as well. So it was wonderful experience.
We have Mr. Shri also from Oculus. We just want to know what technology can help in fitting these scleral lenses.
Thank you, OOLS as well as ASCO for inviting Oculus. Oculus is a 125-year-old family-owned business which is focused exclusively on diagnosis, particularly for keratoconus and anterior segment. We are also, thankful to Dr. Daddi to come all the way from Canada for just one day. The best part about this event is this, that we could see a lot of young upcoming optometrists who are just learning scleral lenses, and this is probably the way to go, because we find starting somewhere is important, and I think this is the right step, and we have committed along with OLS to do a lot of academic events in the coming year.
Thank you so much. Thank you both of you. We will see you.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Looking forward. Thank you.